In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumroad store. So the first thing I'm doing is going to gumroad.com, and once I'm there, I'm either signing into my existing account or creating a new one if I haven't set it up yet. After I'm inside the dashboard, I'm heading over to the settings tab because this is where the basic store setup starts and where I can shape how everything is going to look to visitors. Now that I'm in settings, I'm editing the profile details. I'm setting the username first, then adding the store name, and after that I'm filling in the bio. This is the part where the store starts to feel more complete, because these details help give it an identity. Once that's done, I'm uploading a logo so the store has a visual brand as well. I'm just going one piece at a time here, making sure each detail looks right before moving on. At this point, I'm customizing the design a little more by selecting the theme colors and fonts. This part is nice because it helps the store match the style I want. I'm not doing anything complicated here, just choosing the colors and fonts that fit the overall look I'm going for. Once that's in place, the store feels a lot more polished and ready for products. Now I'm moving over to the product section, and this is where I actually start building what I want to sell. I'm clicking new product and Gumroad opens the setup for a new item. From here, I'm selecting the type of product first, then I'm setting the price and the name. After that, I'm filling in the description so people can understand what the product is and what they're getting. This part is pretty straightforward, so I'm just entering the details as I go and making sure everything looks clean and clear. Once that's done, I'm uploading the product files, and if I need a cover image, I'm adding that too. This is where the product really comes together because now I've got the listing details, the actual file, and the visual for the product page all in one place. I'm taking a quick look over everything just to make sure it's all there and nothing was missed. Then finally, when everything looks good, I'm clicking publish. That makes the product live, and now the store has something active and ready for people to see. So that's the whole process. You go to gumroad.com, sign in or create an account, head into settings to update your profile, set your username, store name, bio and logo, customize the design with theme colors and fonts, then go into products, create a new product, choose the product type, set the price and name, fill in the description, upload your files and cover image, and click publish. Once that's done, your Gumroad store is set up and ready to go.